and I was looking for you, and I wanted to raise.
Welcome back, guys. So today's gonna be a really fun day because it's all about Valentine's Day. So these are going to be 3 keto. They can also be vegan Valentine's Day treats. You can use them as a breakfast, and it's perfect for your special someone, for your kids, or for your gal pal, whoever you want to be your Valentine's Day. These are perfect for them, so let's get into the video. The very first treat is going to be a homemade Reese's cup with almond butter and red raspberry jam. So it's kind of like a PB&J Reese's cup, and I prefer it with dark chocolate, but you can use milk chocolate, semi-sweet, whatever you love. So I also have these really cute cupcake liners that I got at Home Goods, and one of them says hugs and kisses XL, and then the other one says you make my heart go boom. So they're really cute, and I'm gonna use these because I want like the line indents from the cupcake liners to look like the Reese's cup. Then you're gonna take your melted chocolate and you're gonna put it in either some cupcake liners if you want like that line indent like the Reese's cups, or you can put it in silicone cupcake tins so you can easily pop them up. And then you're just gonna add about a teaspoon of almond butter, and then like a half teaspoon or a teaspoon of red raspberry jam, and then another tablespoon or about 2 teaspoons of melted chocolate on top of that. Let it freeze or put in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, or if you don't want it to sweat when you like take them out, I recommend just setting them aside for about an hour so they can naturally just form and mold, and then you'll have your homemade PB&J Reese's cups. For the second Valentine's Day treat, we are going to do a chocolate pudding. So if you know me, I love chocolate, so this one's really exciting. Actually, I love all sweets. I have a huge sweet tooth, so all of these are really exciting to me. But for the chocolate pudding, it's really different because we're going to use an avocado, which don't worry, you're not gonna taste the avocado. It's just gonna absorb that chocolate flavor. And you're gonna need 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of coconut milk, or you can use almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of cacao powder, or you could also use 1/4 cup of melted chocolate as well, which is what I prefer to do, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Now to make this fun, you could always do like 1 teaspoon of blood orange zest, and then 1 tablespoon of blood orange juice, or you could use a normal orange, whatever you want, but this gives a nice little spunk to it. So you're gonna add all those ingredients into a high-speed blender, and you're just going to pulse it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're just gonna blend it on low for about a minute just so it's a nice smooth consistency, and then you're done. Then I recommend to garnish it with some chocolate shavings, with some, you could use orange zest, or like we said, blood orange zest, and then with some raspberries, and dig on in. So these pancakes are really fun. I call them the pink pancakes, even though necessarily they're not pink, but they're really a coconut and blood orange pancake that if you add enough blood orange juice to it, that they can turn pink. So for these pink pancakes, your ingredients are going to be 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups milk, and 2 eggs. So this is not necessarily vegan, but it can be made vegan by using 2 cups of almond milk or soy milk with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Let that set for 4 minutes till it curdles, and then use 2 flax eggs, and that will completely make this vegan. You're going to mix in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, so 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And then to make it coconut and blood orange pancakes, you're going to do about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut shreddings, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of blood orange juice. And then you're gonna put that in a high-speed blender for 1 to 2 minutes, pulsing it, and then 1 minute so it's all nice and smooth. And then once you have this nice smooth consistency for your batter, you're going to, on low heat, put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in your pan, and then put about 1/4 cup of your batter in the pan, and just wait until it bubbles, and then flip it, and then wait about 1 or 2 minutes, and then you're done. And you can top this off with some fresh blackberries and some homemade powdered sugar, and these are adorable for kids. I personally love these. I think they're so fun for Valentine's Day. So this is a great breakfast / dessert recipe that you can definitely play around with by adding like chocolate chips in them, or adding like a jam with it to give it an extra sweet flavor, whatever you want to do. So that is it. Those are my 3 keto and can be vegan Valentine's Day treats. and breakfast recipes that I think are super adorable for your gal pal, for your special someone, or for your kids. So if you try these out, definitely tag Bright Moment Co. and all the recipes will be linked down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.